So how can you use the Google Drive application on your iPhone? Let's get started. So if it's your first time on this channel on Foxtecc, check out the rest of the videos and subscribe so you don't miss the tutorials like this one. Anyways, you can just locate the Google Drive on your iPhone, open it up, and you have a bunch of different sections in the tab bar below. So we have the home, where you'll be recommended some of the recent files or see some activity in case you share it with other people. Then you also have the start section. This is for the files which you mark with the little star icon, which are like your favorite files, we can say. Then we have the shared section from, some links perhaps, or some files which you have accessed through a link. That would be the way to find it in here. But by far, I believe that the best way to browse your files is by clicking on the files in the bottom right corner, and here are all of your folders and everything is sorted the way that you want, so you can browse through it and do whatever you need. Of course, the search bar is at the top, so if you know some file names or file types, you can find them through the search. And also we have the plus button in the bottom right as well, which is very important for uploading files here. So you can see we can upload files, scan documents, take photos, create folders, or create the documents, presentations, or spreadsheets. So it can all be set up right here, and it's very nice. When it comes to downloading the files, just make sure that you look it up in a full screen like that. Tap on the three dots and you should have the ability to download it. So that's like the way to use it. Of course, it's for photos and other things as well. One last important tip I have for you is that you can also add your Google Drive into the Files application of your iPhone, right? So we have the files right here. You can go to the browse section, and I already have the Google Drive accessible in here. But if not, tap on the three dots in the top right, go to the edit and make sure that the green toggle is enabled for the Google Drive specifically. So that's how you'll be able to find it and make sure you add it even to your Files application. So that is the way I like to use it and the way that it works generally. In case of any questions, or perhaps if you want to see like an extended video of that, let me know about it. Perhaps I'll make a longer walkthrough through like every feature. So let me know about that, subscribe so you don't miss it, and I'll see you later.